Welcome back. This is Hedgen.
Hi.
She wanted to check out Jessi's Zoom with me, cause also La Chica's on there, and we watched Street Woman Fighter. That's one of the faves, La Chica. So you know, and they got Jessi, La Chica. It's a good mix. Same energy. Let's get it. Let's go.
Play my intro.
Oh, she does remember. Three, two, one. Ooh, Gabby in the front.
Whoa! I see you, Samir. Oh.
What you doing out here with all this ass?
I see you looking at my PIC.
Hey.
Okay,
Yeah.
look back at it,
Period.
girl.
Oh, her outfits though.
Ooh, zoom out.
Okay.
Zoom it.
Ooh.
Oh, they're doing like the Last Supper.
Look at them. Look at
Ooh,
them. Oh, they're all so cute.
they're also cute. Peanut.
Amazing. Me too. Oh, they're all there. That's so cute.
I'll be right back. Oh,
Ooh, singing. Okay.
okay. Boss bitch. This isn't her. It says boss bitch, as you should. Oh, that's a. Is that a Jenna Monster?
I don't know.
Glasses.
Maybe. I like her
It's
outfit
fire.
though.
Look, my PIC. I know.
Let's go. Hey. Hey.
Look, see, hey, hey. This is an interesting way of making a song. Zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. Hey, hey.
Hey. That's
Ooh.
fire. Girl. Girl, you look so good. But she always look good. Let's go. Ooh. Okay, change up the flow. Ooh, I like the shots there. Ooh, okay. Go
Hey.
Oh, the Photoshop.
Let me see.
Yeah. No belly. Yeah, that's cool. I like how they edited that. Hey, hey, hey.
As you chow down, eat it up, mukbang. Watch you chow down. Hey.
Ooh, they look so good.
Ooh.
Leon too.
Okay, glamour. Hey, she feeling
She got
herself.
a lot of
She's
outfits. Let's go. Ooh.
We love and live for the question. That's no
We
question.
love to see it. Let's go tattoo. Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh, fire shot.
Hey.
I like Jessi part of the choreo too. That's crazy.
Yeah. Hey, yeah.
Oh, I see some E's too.
in.
Zoom out. Okay. Zoom in.
Oh,
Hey, zoom out.
let's
Hey.
go. Hey. Oh, wait, that's fucking lit. I loved that. Oh.
Oh.
Oh my god, I'm such a catfish.
Yo, there's some Maddie vibes.
Amazing. Wait. Go back. I like. Oh yeah, they added like the zoom in, zoom out, and then like underneath they put like the okay. Like she says
Oh.
okay. I like that. How they added that. Zoom out. Okay.
Oh, that's so
Zoom out,
clever.
Okay. Yeah.
The little.
Okay.
Let's go,
Okay,
La Chica.
Let's go. Hey. Ow. Hey. Oh my gosh. That's so funny.
Oh my god, I'm such a catfish.
That's so relatable.
That's so relatable. Bro, with the times of filters.
Because we all
and-
edit our pics. We all do it.
Unless you gifted in this world and God has favorites.
Yeah.
But catchy ass song from Jessi. I think so. The zoom in. Zoom out.
Hey.
Zoom in. Zoom out. Okay. Zoom in. Ooh, that should go hard. But Jessi killed it. La Chica killed it. I had a good time. It's one of those good time type of reaction videos. Not just reaction, but songs. Like you just get lit with a group of friends.
I was seeing the TikTok challenge.
Oh.
And I was like, oh, this sounds so good. So I egged you on to make this reaction.
Yo, low key in the morning, she's like, oh, Jessi, zoom in and zoom out. So, Jessi, thank you to my girlfriend. You know what I'm saying? She put me on. It's like, hey, Jessi's music video came out. I'm like, oh, my bad.
Came out
You know.
with La Chica.
La Chica.
We
love La Chica. We love La Chica. We love street women fighter in general.
Yeah.
Such talented people. But anyways, guys, this is your boy JRE. This is Hedgen. If you want, you can follow her on Instagram. And we'll see you guys next time. And what's up, Jessi?
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. A minute like swimwear.